Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Right now we're going to be doing Tribe. Just to let you know, Tribe is, I believe it's, I don't even know. I honestly don't even know. The details are actually below. If you guys just want to go head over there and look at it, and you will see if you use my referral link, you save 10%. I believe it's $34.99, but it's every other month. I haven't even opened this. Anyway, I got this on Friday. I have been super busy. I actually went away. If you didn't watch my last video, you'll notice that I say I'm engaged now. So I went away with my boyfriend who turned into my fiance. So it's been super busy, super crazy. I've been celebrating all weekend and yeah. And I was back to work today and I was really disappointed. I didn't want to go. So anyway, Tribe Beauty is a beauty box that is created by a female trying to use female empowered brands. It is a little bit more money compared to Ipsy or BoxyCharm, but it gives you full-size item. It also allows you to choose one item. This time it was between the blur stick and a magic stick. I can't remember. I'm so frazzled lately. So anyway, I believe you can still get this box. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so there's the thing, I can't talk. Okay, so the first item I see is Serum by Babe Lash Serum. Okay, so this is valued at $30. I believe these are American dollars. So now this box charges in US dollars, but I believe she is Canadian. If you are in Buffalo and Toronto, you can save. You can pick up your box and not pay for shipping. I pay for shipping. It comes really quick. It comes within 2 or 3 days. This is one of the faster boxes I have had. So I'm not going to open this up because I actually am currently using the product from Topbox from a couple months ago. So this is valued at $30. 1 to 10 days across the lash line. Only one dip is needed for both eyes. So that's pretty interesting. I do like that. I do lose a lot of my eyelashes and eyebrows for my laser treatment. So that is great. So I got the, this was my choice item. It was the Iconic Blur Stick. So I will try and give that a try. I tried to give that a try. I'm going to give this a try in this week. Hopefully, I'm waiting on my sexy. Yeah, maybe I should stop talking now. My second BoxyCharm. So maybe I'll do it then. I'll try it then. So that is valued at $15. So this is a pretty smart lip gloss infused with ginseng gloss from the Balm. It is in the Read My Lips. It's a Smart Mouth. Ooh, that is kind of pretty. Ooh. That is super pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna... Oh. Okay, I am actually really happy about that. So it is a sticky lip balm, as you can see there. I'm definitely going to be using that. I think it's in the color Zap. You can do that. Oh, may helps if I do this. Okay. So anyway, again, if you want to get this box, please use my referral link. So that is valued at $15. Okay, so what is this? Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum by Earth Harbor, valued at $54. Okay, so that's 100. So this box is actually valued at $160. Oh, this actually looks really nice. Seaweed, collagen, and superfruit acids. Okay, so there's not much on the box itself, or on the bottle itself, which is kind of odd. So this says a rich featherlight serum featuring seaweed, collagen, tropical superfruit acids, and botanical multivitamins that retexturize the skin to reveal more radiant looking complexion, all while you enjoy your precious beauty sleep. I kind of want to try this. $54 though. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Oh. Okay, so the next item I see is the Wondrous Fling Wonder Beauty. So this is valued at $25. So I have a few things by Wondrous, I think. Okay, guys. Like, seriously, how can I never open these things? There we go. Okay. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong. I must be. So anyway, let's open this up. Oh, these are beautiful colors. Okay. I'm not so mad I got this now. Ooh. Okay, so Orchid is super pretty. Oh, can you see that? So Bouquet. Ooh. And Marigold. And let's see, Eden. Ooh. Okay, so then let's see, Cedar. And we'll do Blossom. So Cedar. This is Blossom. Oh, look at that last one. Ooh. You see, it's just like a... These ones are so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be using that. That's really, really nice. So the next item I see in here is, I think it's a bag. Okay, this is not, oh, holographic makeup bag by the Tribe Beauty, valued at $20. That's a little bit much, but hey. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Ooh, I've just used, oh, I didn't even bring it over here. Oh, and it's even got a, oh, that's nice. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys, I'm starting to still place my voice. That's pretty. That's super pretty. I kind of like that. And I do like the fact that, it comes with a little, what do you call them? Wristlets? Ooh, that is so trippy. Okay, so the last two items I see in here are two eye brushes by Luxy Beauty, valued at $24. So I probably have these. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna look for them either. But I will never, ever, 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 ever say no to brushes. Never, no. So there's 111 and 237. So the blending brush and the mini flat angle brush. So I love Luxy. Okay, sorry. Alright, so anyway, everything should fit in my bag. Let's see. Lash serum, super cute lip balm, blur stick, and the super smelling, and it all fits in there. So that's pretty nice. I have to say I'm pretty happy with the bag. So with the bag, it's about $180. So definitely like tripled my money in the value. And I have to say, this bag this month, or box, there's really nothing I won't use in it. And that's hard to find in a box, right? Like, usually there's one or two things that you cannot stand. So this month, Tribe was a hit for me. I have to say, like, my birthday month must be a hit for me. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up here. Like I said, if you want to get this box, please use my link below. I'm going to be doing a giveaway in one of my videos. I have 3 I'm going to be uploading this week, or 4. You have to watch them, find it, and I'll give you information on how to win. Since I just got engaged, I thought I'd do a little engagement giveaway, and since it was my birthday last Saturday, no, 2 Saturdays ago, that I would do a quick giveaway for that. So anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Drop a link below. Do you get this box? What do you think of it? And let me know. Thanks for watching.